Ramos's laptop was badly damaged, but NORAD made a big find.
Orc?
He moves every 12 hours. But for the next 12, we know exactly where he'll be. A floating industrial complex out in the Gulf, occupied by the Federation. They call it the Freeport. NORAD made the find, and they want him alive. You're getting some salvaged birds to hunt with, and I'll be an inspector coordinating the multiple units.
Gonna be one hell of a hunt.
Big game, but you know what to do.
Yes, we sure do. Now, for some reason my PhysX configuration has put an overlay on my screen, which is very annoying. I wish that it was not there. So, I apologize for that if that is obstructing your view. It's not intended. Just pointing it out. It's not intended. But I just can't get rid of it.
50, do you want the 30mm or missiles?
Everything you got.
Roger.
10 will see 30. Alright boys, let's go for some fight.
Holy shit, that's a lot of targets.
Lots of machine gun fire down there.
Oh boy, this is amazing.
Solid copy on smokestack. 1-1, you tracking all this or are you engaging targets?
1-1 is re-engaging.
Flares. Popping flares. Ha 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 ha.
Birds on deck near the smokestack.
Got eyes on him.
Oh boy.
1-1-0, flying outbound for a second.
Alright. Oh, there's another one. Hello.
Solid box, solid box.
Anyone? Ah, there we go.
Flares out. Flares away.
Yeah, I need targets. I need more targets. Flares. Oh boy, that just came pretty close to hitting me actually. Yeah, screw you. Nope. Nope, nope. Alright, more people. I need more people. Alright, I still have my regular weapons. Oh shit. I forgot my flares. That's bad. Come on, reload faster. Yeah, let's just like spray them everywhere. Alright, we got him, boys. We got him. Now let's take you down. Come on, there we go. Oh boy. Okay, could you stop, please, like fucking firing shit at me? Oh boy, that's yeah. Alright, come on, come on, come on, bring it on. What the hell? They just went straight forward. That's amazing. Right, there's another one there. Right, they're dead.
Scan to the west. 3 more birds inbound. Enemy birds are still engaging us. Take them out. Flares away.
Come on, these. What? I am putting flares. I don't have any more flares. Oh my god, I don't have any more flares, mate. I can't do anything about that. Oh my god, so many magic. Fucking me. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Solid copy, 5-0, we're inbound.
We got multiple enemy targets moving into position below us.
Right below us.
Roger, got him.
Alright, scanning.
Focus on those movers. Continue to engage.
Where are they? There they are.
Several movements
Found them.
in that vicinity. A lot of them, but there's still some alive.
Stay back around. Missile away.
You'll need to engage the north side of the building. The north side.
Oh, shit.
Alright, he's done for. Are there any more people on the streets? Oh. Looks like we're gonna go over there. Apparently we're gonna go over there. See what's up on this side. Oh, wow, I just couldn't move there for a second. Okay. There we go.
Thanks for the help there, 1-1. Outlaw 2-1, going into holding pattern.
Roger that. Continue scanning for targets.
Oh god, I'm already being thrown into the action here. That's very loud. Somehow. What are you doing? Not even facing the right way. Oh, hello. Hello, guys. Calm down, okay? Calm down. Alright, let's try and push through them. Let's try and push through. Oh boy, that's pretty. There we go. Alright, doing a pretty good job here. Where the hell are they? Come on, show yourself, cowards. Oh, hello. I really did not know where you were then. That was pretty funny. Right, the contextual leaning, it's a good idea, but it's not really working that well. Roadblock, that is called a concrete block, just saying. Oh, he's already dead, that's good. Hello. Come out. I know where you are. Oh boy. Oh, that was very close. Oh, them turns, them turns. Alright, let's go. Oh boy, that's a lot of people. Oh wow, there was a guy in the last stand shooting me with a pistol. Oh boy, that's very close. It's a very close to me right now. It's like a fork in your... That's a very old song. Oh, could you stop? That thing is gonna explode anytime soon. I do not want to stand anywhere near when the Humvee thing explodes. There it goes. Good thing I wasn't standing near it, because that would have been pretty bad for me. Actually, yeah, give me this. Wow, brilliant. I'm good at this game. Haven't you noticed? Right, where are we going? Let's go. I think it's clear. I was wrong. Why would it be clear ever? There you go, sir. You die. Well, that's not going to work on me, sir. Alright. Alright, alright, alright. Alright. Calm down. Yarn.
That enemy ordnance outside your building. We're engaging. Danger close. Repeat, danger close. Missile loose.
Hello. Perfect playground. Of course, those two survive. Ooh, more Heinz.
Ordnance destroyed. You're good to go.
Alright, that was pretty easy.
See that enemy fighters coming out the building ahead of you. Roger that. Engaging.
Well, they always move so slowly upstairs, I don't know why. Switching is always faster than reloading. Golden rule of Cognitive 4.
He's just past those doors! On the ground, now! You boys sure know how to make an entrance. Shut up! Pirate, this is Ghost 6-3. Emergency secure. Moving to extraction point now. Scarecrow, this is 6-1. We have it.
Roger that. Outlaw will bring you to the RV. We need to be mobile in 30 mics.